Do you have important text in a TXT file or copied from a document, but need it as a professional PDF? Creating PDFs manually can be time-consuming, and many online tools require registration, software installation, or even upload your files to external servers. Problem: whether you're creating reports, notes, assignments, documentation, resumes, or business records, converting plain text into a properly formatted PDF isn't always easy. Many converters are slow, add watermarks, limit usage, or raise privacy concerns. Solution: introducing Softaken Text to PDF online free. A fast, secure, and browser-based tool that converts your text into a high-quality PDF in just a few clicks. Simply paste your text or upload a text file, generate the PDF instantly, and download it. No software installation, no sign-up, no technical skills required. Everything works directly in your browser, making the process fast, simple, and convenient. Softaken's online toolkit processes files locally in your browser, helping keep your content private. Benefits of text to PDF online free. Plain text input support. Secure and private processing. 100% free to use. Print preview available. Instant PDF création. No software installation. No sign-up required. Works in any modern browser. How to use. Step 1. Enter your text. Type or paste your text into the editor. Step 2. Adjust options. Choose font size and preview the layout if needed. Step 3. Download PDF. Click Create PDF and download your PDF instantly. If you're looking for a quick, secure, and professional way to convert text into PDF documents, Softaken Text to PDF online free is the perfect solution. Try it today and create clean, professional PDF files in seconds. Thanks for watching.